Hi there, welcome to this bedtime yoga session. This relaxing yoga practice will help you sleep better by alleviating your physical and mental tension. Now lie on your back. You can extend your legs or keep them bent. Let's begin by connecting to our breath. Throughout this practice, try to keep your focus on your breath in this present moment. If you notice your mind wandering away, acknowledge the thoughts and bring your attention back to this moment. Making a conscious effort to stay in the moment and not thinking about your day or your plans will help you get a deeper relaxation. Close your eyes and place your hands on your belly. Take a deep breath in through the nose and breath out. Become aware of your breath, the way it moves in and out of your body without any effort. Notice the feeling of the breath as it comes in and out of your nostrils. There is a sense of coolness as you inhale the breath. Follow this feeling into your nose, your sinuses, the back of your throat, into your lungs. There is a sense of warmth as you exhale the breath. Feel this warmth as you breathe out. Allow the muscles in your abdomen to relax, letting your stomach expand and deflate as you breathe down into the belly. Now slowly open your eyes, open your arms to the sides, and place your feet over the edges of the mat. The wider your stance, the better. Inhale, dropping your knees to the right. And exhale to the left, keeping your upper body grounded. Inhale and to the right. And exhale to the left. Bring your attention to the sensation in your quads and hip flexors. Move slowly and gently. Inhale to the left and exhale to the right. Stay connected to your breath. Check if your thoughts are drifting away. Now let's move in silence. Slowly bring your feet together. Our next pose is bridge pose. With your feet hip distance apart, lift your hips off the mat. Press your weight evenly across all four corners of both feet. Lengthen your tailbone towards the backs of your knees. No need to crunch your lower back. Feel a gentle stretch across your spine. Keep breathing in and out. Slowly lower the hips down and draw your knees into your chest, wrapping your arms around your shins. You can close your eyes if you like. Breathe in and out. Imagine the tension pouring out of your body with every exhale. Slowly lower your feet down. Take a deep breath in and lift your hips up for bridge pose one more time. Let's hold here. On an exhale, lower your hips down and draw your knees into your chest, wrapping your arms around your shins. Now, with your knees tucked in, grab onto your ankles and see if you can bring your soles together. If it's too intense, simply grab onto your ankles, or without even grabbing the ankles, let the knees open wide. Now, if you'd like a deeper stretch, try to lift the feet so they're over your knees. Let's rest here for a few breaths. Lower the feet down. Next, we have a very effective hip stretch. Bring your left ankle over your right thigh, right above your knee. Press your left knee away from your body until you feel a nice stretch in your left hip. Now slowly draw your right knee into your chest and wrap your arms around your shin. Deep breath in and out. Take a deep, relaxing breath in and out. Inhale, hold, and exhale. Now slowly release your right leg, drawing your left knee into your chest. Now let's repeat on the other side. Bring your right ankle over your left thigh, right above your knee. Press your right knee away from your body until you feel a nice stretch in your right hip. Now slowly draw your left knee into your chest, wrapping the arms around your shin. Deep breath in, hold, and breath out. Internally repeat, I am relaxed. Now release your left leg and draw your right knee into your chest. Now draw both of your knees into your chest, open your arms to the sides, and slowly drop your knees to the left side, turning your head to the right. Keep your shoulders on the mat. Now soften and relax your lower back. Allow all of the tension in your shoulders, arms, and neck to drain away. Now slowly come back to center and drop your knees to the right side, turning your head to the left. Close your eyes and settle into the moment as you focus on breathing. Imagine tension and stress melting away with every breath you take. Come back to center, place your feet over the mat, keeping your knees bent. Extend your arms behind you and reach out through your fingertips, feeling a gentle stretch in your sides. Whenever you notice your mind drift away, repeat to yourself, I am here now. Let's end this practice with a short body scan. You can keep your knees bent or extend your legs straight, whichever feels good. Let's begin our body scan. Move your awareness to different parts of your body as soon as you hear them named. The practice begins on the right side. Bring your attention to your right big toe, right foot, heel, calf, knee, thigh, hip, waist, chest, shoulder, arm, wrist, fingers. Now to the left. Left big toe, left foot, heel, calf, knee, thigh, hip, waist, chest, shoulder, arm, wrist, fingers, top of the head, forehead, right temple, left temple, right ear, left ear, right eye, left eye, right nostril, left nostril, chin, jaw, throat, your whole face, your whole head, whole torso, whole body. Let's stay here for a few more breaths. I'll let you know when the practice ends. This practice is now complete. Slowly open your eyes and begin to make small movements. Good night, rest well.